Welcome to Windfall Edutech Advanced Module. Chapter 5, Portfolio Management Services. Portfolio Management Services. Portfolio Manager. PMS versus MF. Fee structure for PMS. Benefits of PMS. Portfolio Management Services (PMS). Nowadays, there are wide variety of options available to retail investors, which makes it all the more difficult for them to choose the right kind of investment for themselves. Portfolio Management Services (PMS) provides customized services to the clients by investing their money in various investment strategies such as stocks, bonds, funds and so on. Portfolio management services are provided by Portfolio Manager. Portfolio Manager, a person who in accordance with the agreement done with client advises or directs or undertakes on behalf of the clients, in some cases, the management or administration of clients' portfolio. There are basically two types of portfolio manager, that is discretionary and non-discretionary. Discretionary portfolio manager is the one who manages the portfolio all by himself with his own discretion and not that of his client. A non-discretionary portfolio manager is the one who manages the funds in accordance with the directions given by his client. PMS versus MF. PMS helps you to ensure proper asset allocation of your portfolio. The asset allocation pattern is prepared keeping in mind the client's needs, age, and risk-taking ability of the client and so on. This is in complete contrast to a mutual fund which doesn't take all these factors relating to client's age or client's risk appetite into consideration. Portfolio Manager offers customized services to the clients while managing their portfolio. Mutual funds do not offer any such customized services. Portfolio Manager doesn't operate in restricted environment as a mutual fund. Every scheme of a mutual fund has an objective which they need to adhere to as per the terms and conditions. However, in case of PMS, portfolio managers are authorized by the clients to invest on their behalf. Portfolio managers are not restricted by any regulations, but have free hand in investing wherever they want as per the agreement they have signed with the client. Fee structure of PMS. The fee structure depends from company to company. There may be many options such as a fixed proportion of the fund amount, for e.g. 2.5% of the initial corpus. A fixed proportion of the fund amount plus variable depending upon the performance of the portfolio, 2.5% above 10.5% of the returns. Variable depending upon the performance of the portfolio. Benefits of PMS. Apart from providing you customized investment solutions, PMS also offer investors add-ons such as giving detailed transaction statement for tax purposes. This frees you from computing the tax on your investments. Portfolio management services are apt for investors who have huge portfolio but do not have adequate time in managing the portfolio. PMS boasts of lower cost as compared to a mutual fund. In addition to providing privileged access to the fund manager, PMS also ensures detailed analysis and review of your portfolio. There is regular reporting and communications done by the PMS provider. Also, the control of portfolio is ultimately in the client's hands. With this we come to an end of your www.wealthfarms.com tutorial advanced module. Now you are ready to be the dragon of equity markets.